I'm here in Pasadena, California, inviting you to the 2020 Team Flower Conference.
Now, if Pasadena sounds familiar, that's because it is home to America's New Year's celebration, the Rose Parade. The Team Flower Conference is one of the most unique events in the floral industry. It's also one of the best values in continuing education in the floral industry that you can find. That is really important to me. We are jam-packing these days with so many opportunities to be able to absorb a variety of all kinds of information. You're going to gain tools to grow your business, plus design and growing education. It's going to help you stay equipped, inspired, ahead of trends, and it's going to help us see different sides of the industry. Wherever you're at in your flower journey, don't miss this. I'd love for you to have the opportunity to take part in this fresh education and insight to meet the needs of your business in 2020.
I can't wait to see you January 3rd through the 5th here in sunny California.